Oh my God! Blue. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's Epic Tours, where it's fun, food, travel, and being able to work remotely. So today, Araya turns 2. Alright, so she's going to turn on the TV, so you're going to hear noise. But she turns 2. You see her over there? So I'm going to just make some breakfast for her now and start prepping. So I'll take you guys throughout the day with us. You see her over there turning on the TV? I'm not even going to bother. You see that look? Mission accomplished. Watch now. Wait for the dancing. Really, alright? Okay guys, so I actually got her a tent. So I'm gonna attempt to put it together now. Oh my gosh, my hair is a mess. Oh. But yes, so I got her this playhouse tent. I'm gonna try and put that together now so that, you know, but she won't see it until in the evening. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. This is a lot of sticks though. So no little, oh. So I guess I never really thought about this properly. There's a lot of different sticks. I'll figure it out. Because I got this, alright? Oh. Oh wow, it's actually pretty decent size. Pretty decent size actually. So let's see, we got the instruction manual. So if anyone wants to know, I got this off Amazon. But yeah. So this instructions is not so very clear, but we're gonna make it work. So the poles go through these holes, I assume. That's all I want to know. So let's start with the poles. It says assemble them on the floor. What I'm assembling, I don't know. Oh, they're kind of connected. Okay. It's somewhere. So she saw the balloons outside. Air pull out. Can I see your hair? Thank you. Oh. Yes.
See, you have it in your hand. This is gonna blow. We're gonna blow this, alright?
So we're gonna light it, you feel it?
We're gonna blow the candle.
What's her name? She have blow already.
Man, if I did have to do this. Really.
What a cake.
Your picture quality good here? Yes,
What
so
you blowing,
pretty.
mommy? What you blowing? Don't blow it yet.
We're gonna put it for you to blow.
Step
Come
aside,
in.
step aside.
Hi,
baby.
Where I must put this?
Is it right there? Below there.
I don't want to
Below the area.
And you get the decoration and everything.
Oh, now you see why I did it. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Blow.